Buongiorno e benvenuti, I'm Stephanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate and I'm here today to show you this wonderful agriturismo for sale near Montalcino. Check it out! The property that we're going to see today is near Montalcino, and right now we are in the property's vineyard. But not only near Montalcino, we are in the area of Val d'Orcia, riconosciuta come patrimonio dell'umanità nel 2004, e siamo circondati dalle sinuose forme delle crete senesi. Behind me is the property's cantina, where they take care of every phase of the wine production, from the harvesting of the grapes to the bottling of the wine. The agriturismo is surrounded by 13.35 hectares of land, 5 of which are dedicated to vineyards, with Cabernet Sauvignon, Cabernet Franc, and Petit Verdot vines, to produce a niche quantity of excellent and prestigious Super Tuscan wines. Before we go inside, let me tell you a little bit about the property. The property is 1,410 square meters, featuring the main villa with 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms, a guest house, and the cantina. It's surrounded by 13.35 hectares, featuring a private garden, swimming pool with sunbathing area, vineyard, arable land, and an internal court. And for those of you who haven't done it yet or are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Ma ora, venite con me. We are in the internal court of this lovely farmhouse, originally built in the 1400s and recently renovated. Central to the court is a stone fountain that looks onto an external dining area where you can enjoy pleasant meals during the warmer months that gets shade from an adorable gazebo covered in vines. From here, we have a direct access to the back of the property where we can find the swimming pool area and also to the guest house that is momentarily used by the groundkeeper. But now, let's go inside. From the internal court, we have a direct access to the dining area and kitchen. The dining area can easily sit up to 8 people and has a direct access to the garden. It is also well connected to the kitchen that has a rustic style, as we can see from the stone fireplace that is still used today as a grill. From the kitchen, we can access the guest bathroom and laundry room, but I want to point out the floors and the ceilings. The cotto tiles and the exposed wooden beams really give that extra touch to the property. Slightly elevated in respect to the dining room is the living room, which is divided into 2 distinct sitting areas. On the one side, we have a sitting area that overlooks this large window with a beautiful view over the vineyards and the surrounding countryside. But not just that. From here, we can see the original stone well of the property. Over here, the second sitting area overlooks the fireplace, and this is the ideal spot to just curl up with a good book. I love the large windows in this room, not only because they let in a lot of natural light, but also the neutral colors of the inside highlight the vivid colors of the nature outside and of the sky. On the ground floor, we have a first bedroom that has a direct access to the swimming pool area and has its own private bathroom. As soon as we arrive on the first floor, the first thing we see is this bedroom. This room is exposed on two sides and has lovely views over Le Crete Senesi. It has its own private bathroom with bathtub and shower. The cotto floors follow us also on this floor, as well as the exposed beam wooden ceilings. I love this modern furnace that looks just like an antique version of it. It fits perfectly in this space. But the best part is the access onto the external Loggiato. Let's go check it out. And wow, the first thing we see is this breathtaking view over the surroundings with the vineyard, and you can also see the property's Cantina. The Loggiato is 28 square meters, and here you have a variety of sitting areas where you can just sit and relax, or a dining area where you can enjoy a coffee in the morning or an aperitivo before dinner. This is definitely my favorite place of the property. From here, you can also access the living area of the floor. The living room area has a lovely kitchenette where you can prepare either a tea or a coffee to enjoy inside or outside. Also on this floor, the cotto tile floors and the exposed wooden beam ceilings are present. I also like how the sitting area is put to look at the stone fireplace that has grapes carved into it. That reminds us of the vineyards below. I like how they put the TV set inside the fireplace that frames it perfectly. From here, we can access another bedroom. This room has a double exposure and looks on to the swimming pool area. It has its own private bathroom, and the door was hand painted to look just like the rest of the armoire and give continuity to the space. We are now about to approach the master bedroom, which is a particular bedroom because you can close it off and it can become an independent suite. Let's go check it out. This room has its own private bathroom and looks on to the swimming pool area. It's the only room to be developed on 2 floors and has a below living area. The staircase has travertino steps, which is a beautiful contrast with the cotto floors. This area looks onto the internal court and on the Crete Senesi. Here we have the living area where you can just relax with a good book, and a dining area with kitchenette where you can prepare coffee to enjoy in the morning. From here we also have an access onto the outside. Let's go check it out. And here we have an extra bedroom with its own private bathroom and independent entrance. So it can be perfect as a guest bedroom or as service quarters. And from here we can see the recently planted vineyards that look onto the Crete Senesi. We are at the back of the property where we can find a 20x4 swimming pool with breathtaking view over the vineyard and the surrounding landscape, other than being embellished by a gorgeous secular oak tree. It also has a sunbathing area with shower. This is the ideal place to cool off during those hot summer days, and adjacent is an adorable gazebo with external dining area which is well connected to the kitchen and is the ideal spot to enjoy a pleasant meal with your friends and family in the tranquility of this location. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And now let's enjoy this beautiful view together. Ciao!